This 290C has finished its main stitch test. All these decorative stitches seem to be working. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches here with a stretch version of each of them, and I think I'm gonna grab a couple of the accessories, because this machine has with it the chain stitch plate and attachments, and I don't know what this bracket is for. Oh wait, maybe this is a... I don't know. Well, I'm going to attempt to chain stitch with this machine and see if I can just assemble the bits without the manual, but it's got this insert for the bobbin case. You set that in place and lock it in. Replace our needle plate with the chain stitch plate. And I think, and then jiggle that insert so that it locks into, there's a tab on the underside of that chain stitch plate that it needs to engage with. Set this for straight stitching. I think it looks like it's making those first few stitches. Let's see if it... Well, those stitches are kind of loose on the bottom, but it did neaten up after I got the first couple made, so... And of course, I don't ever use a chain stitcher, so I always forget the trick to getting these finished is pulling a tail out and then trimming the tail, and that releases it so you can pop your last loop out. And I don't remember how to lock these off either, but because when you tug on the correct end of your chain stitch, it just removes all of it. But there. I held my tail really tight on those first couple stitches and see if that no, still have a little bit of a loop formation issue. And raising the tension only breaks this thread. Alright. Well, still pretty cool that the chain stitching attachment came with this machine. And it does work. So I'd say that's pretty neat. Again, I'm not sure what this part is. I'll have to look in the manual for that, and maybe if I figure it out by the time I get the videos done, I will put a note on it.